Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create the simplest card that looks so elegant and will look like you spent so much time making it. I am using Canson black drawing paper. So I measured the paper and I used this scissor that gives you a deckled edge to cut out the shape that I needed. Now, if you don't have this scissor, of course, you can just use a regular scissor and make your edges straight. That'll look equally as beautiful. Now, these cards that I have, I did purchase on Amazon, but if you don't have the ready-made cards, you can make a simple card using very inexpensive watercolor paper. And now I'm using a gold pen to create a border on the card so that when I put the black down, when I adhere the black paper to the card, all you'll see is that beautiful gold border. And now I'm using a silver chrome marker to create these very, very simple branches. To create this entire card, all I did was make lines and later I added some dots and you'll see what I mean. So this is perfect for the beginner, but when it's finished, it won't look like it was done by a beginner because I thought it was stunning. So again, I'm keeping it really simple. I'm just adding 3 branches and you can see all they are is just some curved lines. And that's it. Now that I have my branches in, I am using a gold chrome marker and I'm going to fill these branches with these little pine needles. And you can see all I'm doing is flicking the marker to create the pine needles. Very easy, very simple. Just be sure to flick the marker because if you don't, you'll get lines that have blunt tips. And by flicking it, it makes the ends of the pine needles tapered. It makes them look a little bit more delicate. And now you can see I'm not even halfway finished with this card and already it's looking fantastic. And if you don't have these chrome markers, you can use Posca pens, you can use watercolor, you can use gel pens, whatever you have on hand. Now that I finished adding the gold pine needles, I'm using a silver gel pen, which has a finer tip than the marker, and I'm adding some silver pine needles in there as well. Once I was finished adding the silver pine needles, I took that same gel pen and I added some dots on the paper to make it look like it was snowing. And once I finished with the silver gel pen, I used the gold chrome pen to add some more dots. And look how pretty that looks. So simple, but so elegant. And I think this whole card took me about 15 minutes to make. Once I was finished adding my gold dots, I used that same gold marker to write Merry Christmas. And I just wrote very simple. I printed, but of course, if your calligraphy skills are better than mine, have at it. I wanted to try it, but I was a little scared. I liked the way the card looked so much and I didn't want to ruin it. So I just printed very simple Merry Christmas. And while you watch me write that, I'll remind you that all the products used are linked in the description box. So take a look if you want to check them out for yourself or purchase them for yourself. And as an Amazon associate, I do receive a small commission on any products purchased using my links, but that is at absolutely no extra charge to you. And for those of you who do use my links, thank you very much. It's a wonderful way to show support for my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Look how great that looks. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video so you can see the finished card. I love this. So we are nearing the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you give this a try. Don't forget to check out our Facebook group, Vivo Vintage Design Tutorials, where you can post your versions of the paintings and techniques learned on this channel. We have a great group of members, so I hope to see you there. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your interaction is really helpful to my channel. It's another great way to show your support, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.